Have you ever wondered why humans sneeze? Why does your body suddenly explode with air so powerfully without warning? And why is it almost impossible to keep your eyes open while sneezing? A sneeze is actually your body's emergency defense system. Inside your nose are tiny sensitive nerves that constantly monitor the air you breathe. When dust, smoke, pollen, pepper, or even a virus enters your nose, those nerves instantly send a danger signal to your brain. Your brain then launches a rapid reaction. Your chest muscles tighten, your lungs fill with air, and suddenly your body blasts air out through your nose and mouth at speeds that can reach over 160 kilometers per hour, all just to remove harmful particles from your body. But here's the weird part. Why do your eyes close when you sneeze? Scientists believe it's a protective reflex. The pressure created during a sneeze is so strong that your body automatically protects your eyes by shutting them for a split second. And no, your eyeballs do not pop out if you sneeze with your eyes open. That's just a myth. Although keeping them open during a sneeze feels extremely difficult. So the next time you sneeze, remember this. Your body is fighting to protect you every single second. Subscribe for more amazing everyday science facts.